And we were able to find the electric Hummer that burned. Take a look back here. This is the vehicle that burned for hours. And as you can see, there's not much left. The Bellevue Fire Department will tell you this was not a typical response. They logged 10 hours on this, trying to put out an electric vehicle fire after troopers say it ignited following a hit and run at 405 and I-90.
Unfortunately, water doesn't put out lithium-ion batteries.
Bellevue Fire Battalion Chief Doug Halbert oversaw the incident. He said the batteries can burn whether there's oxygen or not. So while they can put out the rest of the vehicle, the battery can still reignite. So you just have to let it burn out.
The initial plan was to move it up to the tow yard.
But then it started back up on the tow truck. The state troopers told me they called another tow company first, and they turned them down.
Yeah.
Have you heard about that before, and do you blame them?
I don't really blame them. The cars stink, you know, make your whole yard stink. But besides that, it's there's just a hazard.
Jared Hoffman works for Mack Towing. His company towed that Hummer away.
The electric cars are cool, great idea, but there's a danger factor to those batteries.
Halbert said they have responded to more electric vehicle fires over the last few years. And as the technology becomes more widely used, that has to be a conversation moving forward among first responders, governmental agencies. If you're putting in more electrical battery infrastructure, you have to figure out how to mitigate that if something goes wrong.
But yes, we're looking from a response lens. We want to know, what do we do when? That's the question we continually ask ourselves. And those answers are still coming.